Today, we are introducing this nomadic glamping tent, combining modern design with strong practicality. It is suitable for various terrains and offers excellent weather resistance. The standard size features a 4-5 span and 9 length, with flexible 3 base spacing for customization. It is not only ideal for campsite accommodation, but also widely used for casual dining, small gatherings, and campsite retail spaces, offering an all-in-one solution for multiple applications. With its double-layer roof designed for four-season use and a spacious terrace area, this tent is truly versatile. If you are interested, feel free to contact us.